Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on the Adobe Acrobat Reader application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 new statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and then click on this profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on Preferences and click on Open Settings app. Now you will be directed to your phone settings where you need to allow Acrobat to access notifications. So click on the third option and tap on Allow Notifications. If you go back to the application, you will be able to see that push notifications are currently enabled. You can check them out if you have any by going back to your home page and tapping on this bell icon at the top of the screen. So here all of your notifications will be displayed to you. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.